Hello guys, today we're going to play some ranked 1v1s.
May nag-rank ka na?
Yeah, I've been playing ranked for a long time now. Oops. I've been playing ranked for a long time, bro.
Anong rank mo na?
Silver 2.
Silver?
2.
Grabe, tagal ka na hindi na nag-rank ulit.
Kakalaro ko lang eh. Nung rank.
Tanda ko yung yung kita sa rank.
Alright, spawn village. Okay, nice. I love station. If this guy bans sniper, bro. Oh, okay, nice. That's good. 90 pistols. Let's be a psycho. Size, warhorn.
Kapag cellphone talaga ban mo yung sniper. Aimbot na pala kita.
Oh shoot! Wait, this guy good. Why do I have so much FPS, bro? Nice. Oh shoot!
You're so strong.
Where are you hiding?
Where are you going? Bro, tignan mo. Bro, look. Where are you going? Where will you go sa minute mo? I'll make a video.
Just like one tap away.
One bullet.
One bullet. No magazines.
Nobody calls this final look like this.
Bro, what do you call it?
Luis, nobody calls this final look like this.
Ako na scrap. Ako na pala po break bar.
Bro. Hear this out, hear this out. Hear this out.
Ano yan? Bro, hindi rin part or hindi rin part or
Nice.
one bullet.
Two bullet.
One bullet left.
Sumuko na yung kalaban mo. Ilagay mo sa baka na nanalo. Kung magkakasin na.
Hinahawakan niya. Pipihan. Magagat yan.
Ano?
Ano? Ang layo talaga.
Guys, bro. O, di ba sabi ko sa'yo na lang? Ayaw mo bro. 360, let's go.
Imagine that actually happened. Oops.
Guys,
You will not touch this, friend.
ito maganda to, promise.
Ugh. Am I stuck? GG's!